Hi, I'm Paul Delanus, cake designer at the Breadbasket Cake Company in Camarillo, and I'm going to show you how to do sugar sheets and a round cake. First of all, you're going to get your sugar sheets. You can get different color ones. It makes them fun and you can have a good time. Your kid's going to help you out, or you can do it yourself. And we're going to need some water and a brush, because we're going to brush a little bit of water on the cake. That way you apply the sheets and they stay on. And after that, we're going to do it again so they stays on. So you cut a pattern. Did you get your cake wet? And then you start pasting, kind of like decals. Kind of that's the same concept of how you do it. And this is how you do sugar sheets on a round cake.